Hello, I'm Dr. Ahmed Kazmi, and today I'm speaking about a subject very close to my heart, the common cold. Also known as the flu, the snots, booger face, and man flu. Doctors, however, refer to it either as coryza or an upper respiratory tract infection, abbreviated to URTI, since we love acronyms. During the winter months, almost everyone gets a cold, and it produces the all too familiar symptoms of a blocked or runny nose, sore throat, ear pain, and coughing. The common cold is a viral illness, and it clears by itself. And whilst it can be a real nuisance and very troublesome, it's worth just reminding yourself that it is almost never actually dangerous for your health. Also, the fact that there is no cure for the common cold seems to dishearten a lot of people, and they leave thinking that there is nothing that they can do. This couldn't be farther from the truth though, because although there is no cure for the common cold, there's a large number of things which you could be doing to just help relieve your symptoms while the body clears the virus itself. My top 10 tips for trying to manage the symptoms of a cold are these. Number 1, suck it up. Even if you did nothing, your cold would eventually get better. Tip 2, good nutrition and good hydration. Be sure to give your body the correct nutrients it needs to fight the infection. Tip 3, painkillers. Ibuprofen and paracetamol are really good for managing fever and pain, especially for example sinus headaches or sore throats. Tip 4, saline sinus washes. This is where you use a small device filled with salty water to irrigate and douche the sinuses. This is really good at helping to clear a lot of the mucus and also make mucus less thick, so it's easier for the body to get out. Tip 5, steroid nasal sprays. Using a steroid nasal spray will calm down the inflammation in the nose and the sinuses and decrease the amount of mucus that they produce. You do have to be a little bit patient with them though, as they don't work right away, and you may need to use them for a couple of weeks. Tip 6, decongestant sprays and tablets. These can help to relieve some of the symptoms you get from having a really blocked nose, but please only use them for a few days maximum, otherwise the sinusitis or blocked nose can come back worse than you had it in the first place. Tip 7, antihistamine tablets. Yes, as strange as it sounds, hay fever tablets can also help reduce the secretions from your nose. Tip 8, gargling. Regular gargling with either salt water or an antiseptic mouthwash is really good to help with the discomfort of a sore throat from a cold. Tip 9, antihistamine and antimuscarinic nasal sprays. These are quite expensive, but they can dry up the nose, so I would reserve them for special occasions, such as if you have to deliver a speech or go to a wedding or party. Number 10, vapor rubs and saline drops. These are especially useful for small children. Most importantly though, guys, is remembering to cover your mouth when you cough and sneeze and washing your hands regularly. This will really help to reduce the spread of the infection amongst other people. It's also worth bearing in mind that fit, healthy adults almost never need to see a doctor because of the common cold. I hope you feel like you have a few more tricks to tackle feeling unwell with the cold. Thanks.